Hey everyone, it's Les Solgrove, MLS Director for No Coast MLS. And an issue that's come up here just the last couple of days that's kind of come back is the ability to find properties based on searching for a city or a municipality. And we addressed this 6, 8 months ago, maybe a year now. But I'm going to re-record a new video here to kind of show you what you need to look for. Globally, this setting has been changed correctly. However, sometimes there are situations where agents have made their own setting changes in Paragon MLS, and that kind of overrides the global. So I'm going to show you an example here. What I've got here is I borrowed Gary LaChapelle's MLS screen here. We're just going to go into searching, and I'll show you what the screen should look like. Let's say under single family here. So you would go up here into search and select single family. I've already got that selected. What you want to do is look right down here and look for somewhere where it says Postal City. And this will probably be at the very top of your search screen. If you haven't made very many changes or any changes at all, it should show Postal City. That's the field that should be in place. In contrast here, I've got a commercial search already opened up. And instead of seeing Postal City, you see Municipality. We have stopped utilizing and feeding the code municipality through the MLS because it conflicts with our data standards when we're sending our information out to third-party websites. So the fix with this has been globally to make this change. But again, like I said, in certain cases, and in this particular case here, Gary must have saved a specific search as his default, and this is what's causing the issue. So what happens is if you're searching for a property by municipality, thinking that's the city that you're searching for, it may or may not show up, but it will always show up when you do it under Postal City here. So let's go back here and I'll show you now under this setting here how you can set this default on your own MLS system or on your own MLS login here. So if yours shows municipality, what you need to do, and this applies for, I should say, applies for all the different categories: single family, multifamily lots, commercial, farm, multi-class, all these down here. So you want to double check all of those. You simply come up here to customize. You choose fields, which is going to open up this window here. And you can scroll down until you see Postal City in the list here, which can be, kind of a frustration here, especially if you're working on a laptop. You can select Postal City, or if it's easier to find it, just start typing Postal, and you'll see it pops up. What you want to do is check that box, hit the Add button, which moves it over here to the selected fields, which is basically what you see here on this left-hand side. Select Add, and you'll notice that it goes all the way down here to the very bottom. Well, from this point, you can either just hover over and select that and click the Move Up button, and it'll move up the list. But even a faster way to do that is to just click and drag it until you see Municipality. And I'm going to drop it just below municipality. I'm going to uncheck it because I don't want it to move now. Check the municipality button and say remove. Don't hit remove all, just remove. And now municipality is out of the system. Now you're not done until you hit save. The one you want to hit, the save you want to use is apply/save, not save as, not apply, apply/save. This is the one. Click on that. Opens up a window that says, are you saving this for yourself, or are you setting this as your default search? Now, because I'm in Gary's, he has board level rights, and so therefore he sees this one. He can save it for his board, which I've already done globally at the overall MLS level. So all you would do, you would see is this box that says set my default commercial 5+ units in this particular case. Select that and hit save. Now, and let's just prove this. Let's close that search down. We'll close down the single family. Now we're going to go back here to search. And this is the one we just changed, commercial. Now you see Postal City here instead of municipality. Anytime you see municipality, go through this process one time and hit that save for that category, and it'll stay there. It'll be gone now forever. Just remember, though, if you're going to make that change, that you don't have any other search criteria set that you don't want to also bring over. Gary has searching specifically Southeast Iowa because that's his board. state of Iowa, and then the active categories and MLS listing visibility types. These are fine. Some of you may or may not use restrict your search to just your board, but you can do that if you want to there. So anyway, that's the thing you want to do to alleviate this problem of not finding properties if you're trying to search it by what you think is city, when in fact it may be in there as municipality. All right. Thanks again for viewing, and we will talk to you all again next time. And let me know if you have any questions at les@iowarealtors.com, les@iowarealtors.com.